Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into an essential topic for any car enthusiast. It's about inspecting, repairing, replacing or reusing a crankshaft with a cracked journal. If you're new here, please subscribe for new videos. So this is a part 4 video of this series. So our part 1 video was on inspect crankshaft for faults. So we talked about all these faults, and depending on those faults, does it need to be replaced or repaired, or can we reuse it? And the second and third videos were on keyway fault and overheating. So we'll be talking about each of this. This is the fourth video. The links of the other videos are in the description, so please have a look for detailed analysis and learning of those stuff. So now let's talk about what happens if you have a cracked journal. How will you inspect it? If it needs a repair, how will you repair it, and how to go forward with replacement. Alright, let's get started. A cracked crankshaft journal can cause major engine related problems, so it's very crucial to address it properly. So today we'll go through the steps of how to inspect it, and if it needs a repair, how to do it, or if it needs a replacement, how to go about it. In very simple terms, let's break it down. First step, inspection. Here is what you need to do. First thing to do is remove your crankshaft. How do you go about it? First you start to drain your engine oil, and then you have to remove your engine oil pan. Now detach the crankshaft pulley and its timing gear. You might need a special tool for this. Carefully unbolt the main bearings, and that will help you to lift out the crankshaft. Next is cleaning the crankshaft properly. This is very important for inspection. Clean the crankshaft thoroughly. So you can use any type of solvents to remove all the dirt and oil from the crankshaft. So this will help you to spot any cracks more easily while you're inspecting the crankshaft. Number 3. How to inspect for cracks. You can use a flashlight and also a magnifying glass for looking for cracks. This will help you to have a detailed inspection. You can also use a crack detection die or a magnetic particle inspection. And if you find a crack, you have a few options. One is repairing. Some small cracks can be repaired by welding. However, this is a job to be carried out by a trained professional, as it requires specialized equipments and skill sets. After welding the crankshaft, it needs to be rebalanced and to reground to make it safe for use. This is a costlier job and it should be done by professionals. So that's why repair is sometimes not very much recommended unless you have a place where you can trust to carry out this job. Number 2 is replacing your crankshaft. And that's more ideal, and that's more recommended, and that's what currently the industry norms are. People just replace them. And if the crack when you inspected on the crankshaft is severe, replacing the crankshaft is your best option. To do this, you need to buy a new crankshaft. It can be a new one from an OEM or a remanufactured crankshaft from any suppliers or repair shop. Which one matches to your engine's specifications. So you can install the crankshaft by reversing the removal steps. Make sure you torque all the bolts as per the OEM manuals to ensure that you're following the manufacturer's specifications. Once you have installed your crankshaft, make sure that you reattach your oil pan, pulley and the timing gears, and don't forget to refill your engine oil. And that's it, job done. Remember, working with the engine components can be complex. So if you're not confident, it's better to consult a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching the video. Our next video will be on excess runout on the crankshaft, how to repair or replace, or how to go about it. So that will be a 5th video in this series, and all the video links will be in the description below. So please continue watching. Support us by giving a comment. You can ask a question, we'll definitely respond. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Kai Paitira.